All right, so look, check this out. I'm going to show you something really cool to do with your backsplash. Anybody can do this, just a couple little steps. Check this out, watch this. First, here's a piece of our shiplap. Okay, and everybody knows this shiplap has that tongue. You all bear with me. I'm holding the camera plus talking to you. So what we've done is we took that tongue and ripped it about 1/8 of that tongue off. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to set it right down here on the table saw so you can see. There you go. That went right through our table saw. And any piece, this came from Menards, so any piece of shiplap you get like that, there's just about 1/8 of that lip missing. And I want to show you why. All right, so here's your shiplap. Okay, this is the 7 1/4, so it's the bigger one. It's not the smaller 4 5/8, 7 1/4. And you can see it all the way down, turns, comes all the way right here. What I want to show you is these two. These are the only two profiles you're going to need. This one is cut out of the back. They sell this at Home Depot. It's in the premium molding aisle. Okay, it's notched out. And this is like a cabinet piece of scribe. Okay, so that's what you're looking for. And here's the look you're going after. I want to show you. So I'm going to try to do this here holding the phone. So basically, I'm going to move these couple of pieces out of the way. You see this one here on the bottom? Okay, that is going to skirt across the counter. This guy with the notched out is going to sit right there, just like that. The top piece, that's why we ripped this, so that it would sit. And look, see how it's even? The notch was much higher, so it's even right now. That will get pushed. See if I can hold this here. That'll get pushed all the way, just like that. So if I can get this to sit still, there you go. So that's the look you're going after. Now I know that just fell down. I'm holding all this with one hand, and then look. That right there is what's left, and that's what the scribe's for. When you take that scribe and set it down. Now hang on. There you go. So you see that look there we gave it, okay? And there's another piece that goes in behind right here that I can't show you because I'm holding the phone. So that bottom piece of scribe flows across the bottom. They go up and turn with the fatter guy. It's going to go all the way down, turn down there, and case right back over that side. It's going to look just like this. And then the scribe caps all that on top everywhere. Now, for the last little thing, if this was white and it went with a white theme, we wouldn't have to do nothing with this trim. Now that we have all this trim, now what we're going to do is spray this. We're going to spray it black to match. And we're going to bring you right back in here and show you how this looks at the finish. This is really simple, really pretty, and it makes the counter and everything go right with it. All right, you guys, so look, there it is. We got all that slicked up black. Look at that guy now. Just beautiful. So again, that's the 7 1/4. And then that is PVC. That's the one that is notched out of the back that you seen earlier in the video. And everything just comes together at the finish there. But that is really super cool. Homeowner loves it. That counter's so wicked. Hope you guys like it. So one of the easiest backsplashes, you know, that particular shiplap, all colors of the rainbow at Menards. That's all like a skin wrap going over that shiplap. So that is not from Home Depot or Lowe's. That is definitely from Menards. You want the one that is already skinned over, because any splash in any little bit of water that might ever hit that won't hurt a thing. And then the trim itself is PVC, sitting on this gorgeous resin top. That's it, you guys. Till the next one. Hope you like it. See you back real soon.